Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to find shared files with a specific contact in WhatsApp on your PC. Whether you need to access important documents or refer back to shared media files, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Locate the chat with the desired contact. This could be an individual or a group chat. Step 3. Click on the contact's name located at the top of the chat window. This will open the contact info page. Step 4. Now, navigate to the Files tab in the contact info page. Here you will find all the files that have been shared with this contact or group. And there you have it. You have successfully found the shared files with a specific contact in WhatsApp on your PC. Now you can easily access any important documents or media files that have been shared in your conversations. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.